All right, this video is going to discuss information about the 2008 Lincoln MKX with the 3.5 liter, which I found out the same thing as the Ford Edge, the Ford Fusions. What else? There's a couple other vehicles, the Ford Tauruses. You see videos all on YouTube saying that the engine has to be removed. This is the instructions straight from the Ford Motor Corporation. This is what Ford technicians or Lincoln technicians look at. Now, this procedure, nowhere it says remove the engine. This thing, step 1, with the vehicle in neutral position on hoist, which is the lift. Drain the coolant. Step 2. Now here goes step 3. Remove the engine front cover. That is how you get to the water pump and timing chain. As you can see, I got a link, a section to how to remove that cover. It's a lot of work involved in removing this cover, and this is the instructions for it. Nowhere does this thing say you have to remove the engine. I just did one, and no, you do not have to remove the engine. As you can see, you got mounts. You got to just loosen some bolts on different mounts. It'll tell you remove the seal because you need to change the seal. Tell you AC lines have to be disconnected. There you go. Ground wires has to be disconnected. 3-pin connector to the actually the connector to the purge valve. Then you disconnect the connectors to the PCM. You got to move the power steering reservoir to the side and the coolant reservoir, which they call the the degas bottle. You got to take the power steering pump, position it to the side. Take these variable solenoids off the front and rear. Then after that, you can actually put a block of wood and a jack up under the engine to raise it up some. Take just loosen the transmission mount bolt. Remove the engine mount completely. I was wondering why this is step right here. You must remove these studs. There's a reason for that. After you do that, then you can take the bolts out for the timing cover, and then you have access to the timing chain. If you have access to the timing chain, then you can go ahead and do this whole job. But no, you do not have to remove the engine on these vehicles.